A lot of noise cancelling headphones, for example the Sony WH1000XM3s and XM4s, have a problem with popping and screeching. I will not go in depth about the problem, but I will give you some solutions. The first workaround solution, without any dismantling of the device, is just press this button 2 times after a certain amount of time. So they go into no ANC mode. But the problem with this is the popping and screeching goes away, but the equalizer is different on the non-ANC mode, and the bass isn't as deep, and well, they just sound worse. So this is not the perfect and enjoyable way to resolve this problem. Another way, step 2, is to get the microphone that's inside of the ear cup has a rubber black film on it, and you can just tear it off, and once you do it, this can fix your problem for a bit. And some people have reported that this actually gets rid of a problem completely, so you can try that. But unfortunately for me, this only worked for a couple hours, and then the screeching and popping started coming back again. So what I did, and I regret not doing this earlier, is just rip the microphone apart completely from the wires here. And well, of course, this handicaps your ANC because it's no longer having any information from inside of the ear cup, but it allows you to get rid of a popping and screeching, and it gives you the ability to stay in the right equalizer mode, so your bass can be deep and your whole sound can be a lot better. And I think the ANC also works partially, of course not as good as it should with the microphone functioning properly, but it still uses the outer microphones, and so the ANC partly works, and you can enjoy your music with a much better equalizer than just turning off ANC completely. So this is a method I recommend if your headphones are really worn and nothing else fixes the problem. This also isn't a completely unreversible way of solving this, because you can solder it back, the wires to the microphone, if you decide to do so. I hope this helped probably someone around the world, and thank you for watching.